You have this fabulous looking skin. You want to use the Dream Liquid Mousse for a flawless application. It actually looks airbrushed. You apply it like your moisturizer and you're going to see it's going to look fabulous and flawless. For the mascara, it's the Colossal Mascara, 9 times the volume for every coat. You want to layer it and layer it and layer it because you want the lashes to look thick and you want to put them together so they look spiky, so we have a impression of a modern version from the 60s. For the lips, it is the Color Sensational. It's a new shade that I created. Backstage number 5, you want to dab it on to get the soft, edgy look because it actually is the key to get the fabulous, soft looking lips.